Hey, today is the start of Prime Day, so I want to share with you some of the deals that may be good for you because there are a lot of things that I use. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, number one, we have the Barrina lights. You got a set of 6. Let me pull one out for you. You're probably figuring out why he's talking about lights. These are the very lights that go on my grow station. All those starts that you see that look all nice, these lights are responsible for it. So if you are in need of a grow station, you don't want to pay $1,000 like I didn't want to do it, then make your own grow station. These lights are the deal. All right, so they're on sale for $42.50. They're normally on sale for $69.99. And so this will be great for making your own grow station. Item number 2, I have the FDW 6-tier shelving unit. This is where those lights go for my grow station. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so here's my 6-tier station. It's kind of junky down here, but this is where I put the grow lights on, and it's nice and sturdy. It even have the wheels if you want your wheels to go on there right here. And so you can roll it, and it's real sturdy. I'm very, very pleased with it. Now that shelf is on sale for $104.99. It normally goes for $145.99. I paid the $145, but you don't have to because you're going to get some savings if you're in need of a grow station. And like I said, it's cheaper to build your own. If you are new to a garden and you don't want to go ahead and get into that grow station, there is a little kit that they have if you're just getting started with your seedlings, because that's what I did for the very first time. They have the lights that go on top of the seed kit, and it has the heating mat and everything that you need, and a couple of probes to check the soil moisture and the pH. I'll put a link up there for that as well. You should already seen it by now on the screen, but if you're just getting into gardening, that is another option for you. Before we move on, if you want to know how I hung those lights, I'll put the video at the end of this one. And I use the heavy duty rope hangers right here. They are not on sale. I believe they're like $26, but these are the ones that I use. And I just want to let you know, just in case you want to know how I hung the lights, the video's at the end, and this is what I use. But if you want that, I'll put a link at the end too. Like I said, this is $26. It's not on sale. Now, item number 3, if you need a giant gardening net to stop the birds, to stop all the pests from eating your precious fruit, then I have a giant gardening net that is at $34.39. It's normally at $42.99. So that will give you some savings, and you can be ready to stop the pests and the birds, because I had to stop some birds yesterday. So I got to go get my nets ready as well. All right. Item number 4, if you're a gardener, you already know what this is. These right here are grow bags. Now this grow bag right here is a 10-gallon. I've had these for 3 years now. I got most of them out with things in them. I got to put something in this as well. But the ones that are on sale today are 25 gallons, and you get 10 of them. And guess what the price is? You get them for $29.59. Normally $34.99, but they're even bigger than this. And I am in need of some more. And so that's why I'm about to make my order soon as we get finished with this video. All right, so 25 gallons. You get 10 of these for $29. You can't beat that. All right, so I'm gonna make that order. Before we move on to item number 5, I want to let you know that this video is being sponsored by Quictent. We are in a partnership, and I got their link down in the description. You should check them out. All right, so for item number 5, I don't have it yet, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. It is going on this side of my garden. That's why I said this video is being sponsored by Quictent. They have a raised bed that is going for $104.99. It's normally $144.99, but it is 8x4x1, and it has a cover over it. We just talked about having the your plants covered from the pests and the birds. This also does the same thing. And so That is going to be great to stop the beetles and the worms from eating your vegetables, especially as we come in for the fall season. You want to get a jump start on your leafy greens, then that will be a great tool to have, and that's why I'm getting it. All right, so mine should be getting set up in a few weeks. I'm getting ready for the fall time, so you should think about getting ready for the fall time as well. Item number 6 is a steal of a deal. I paid full price for it. It's 50% off. 50% off, and it's powerful. All right, so right here is the DeWalt drill and impact driver. This is what I use to put that bird, the owl box up. They got no owl in it, maybe next year, but it is powerful. And then if you're one of the ones that still like to make your raised beds, I used to do that, then you'll be able to set it up. You got the power right here. I got to go ahead and redo my fence. So if you're trying to fence in your garden, right here, you can't go wrong with it. And it's good to have a nice power drill around the house anyway, but like I said, it is half off. It's $129 and it's normally $259. And this is a great deal. Item number 7 is the Rainbird drip irrigation emitter. And this right here, I've already used it. Of course, I just used some more yesterday. And so the sale is $11.73. It normally goes for $31.49. So that is another steal of a deal. And all I do is connect this to my main irrigation hose, punch a hole in it, and then the water drips out around your plants wherever you put it around. So it's a great deal if you want to get into the using emitters like this. Even if you don't have your entire system yet, the main hose, $11.73. You can't beat that. So if you're looking to getting into drip irrigation, which is pretty good, then this right here is a must-have, especially at $11.73. So those were the deals that I found, the products that I use. I'll put the link down in the description below so you can get those great savings if you need to purchase any of those. Now, if you don't need to purchase any of them, or you want to help the channel out, and if you're doing shopping for Prime Day, go ahead and click my link, and that will help my channel out, and I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.